Hello everyone. Morning. So we are back to the new product introduction live session. So for today we have, I think, quite a lot, quite a few products that available in Cytron Marketplace. So before we start, maybe you can highlight a bit apa yang kita boleh highlight dekat Cytron punya website. Kau you boleh share?
Okay, boleh. Cytron dulu kan.
Vazan Gaming. Hai Vazan.
Hai. So ada apa yang kita boleh highlight kat punya
Rasanya nothing special for this week. Jason Nano B01 tu. So kita ada last call untuk Jason Nano B01. So for your information lah. So Nvidia already stop production for Jason Nano B01. So yang kami ada sekarang ni kira consider last batch lah. So that's why we want to clear this last batch. And then we give cashback for this last batch to clear this last batch. And then another thing, you can see the notes in green color one at the top. Boleh zoom. Okay. So dia tulis apa tu?
Raya Aidilfitri, all order after tomorrow 5 April will be processed and shipped out on 15 April. So we are having a holiday.
Yes, full week.
Full
week, yes. So if you order after tomorrow, we'll start to process your order after Isnin seminggu lepas raya. Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
So you want the product now?
Yeah, sure. So this is the last session in fasting month. So after that Raya, and then after Raya we will continue with the normal schedule, Rabu malam 9 PM.
So today the last kita live pagi.
Yes. So kita ada komen. Hai Abang Koyum, nama saya Vazan dari SMK Jalan Damai Bukit Pentajam.
Hai Vazan Gaming, hai.
Ya, Koyum kenal kan?
Asal saya tak kenal. Ada kenal nickname apa kan? Tahu kan, maybe lah.
So Koyum ni famous lah ya.
Yeah.
So hi. So yang others yang baru nak join, please come join us. So we just start our live session.
Dia dapat sikit kat sini.
Okay.
Okay.
So for this fasting month, it's a bit special lah because we are doing live together. We are in the same room. Usually we do separately lah, koyum, and then me will do at my home lah. But since for fasting month we do at our HQ office, so we do in together lah. Okay. So Cik Farid, salam Ramadan.
Okay. So our first product we have here is a new platform plate or 3D printer bag, we call it. So this is specifically from Creality. So it's for Ender 3 V3. So I think this one is steel, made of steel, and it is also magnetic. Okay, so dia plate ni dia keras tapi dia magnetic. Selalu kalau kita pakai plate yang magnetic ni dia yang jenis lembut tu kan. Yang this one dia keras. So dia mudah untuk melekat and then mudah juga untuk kita tanggalkan hasil print kita. Sebab kalau yang jenis lembut nak tanggalkan susah. Kalau yang jenis kaca kita senang nak tanggalkan tapi susah nak angkat dia punya plate ni kan. So yang ni both boleh. Kita nak tanggalkan boleh, nak tanggalkan daripada printer pun boleh. So not only for Creality, all printer that have build plate from 220 times 220 maximum 235 times 235 millimeter. So all printer artillery ke apa-apa ke yang ada build plate yang suitable, boleh pakai lah build plate yang ni. Okay. So itu saja yang special untuk yang baru ni. Okay, next let's see. Next part.
So for today, how many product we have?
We have around 12, I think 12 or 13.
Oh,
13
12, 12, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Quite a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So stay tuned with us. We try to finish by 10:45.
Mm-hmm. We have also giveaway, right?
Yeah.
So maybe after 6
So
product.
giveaway ni special sikit today kan sebab
Mm-hmm.
you can consider it as Cytron product lah.
Yes. So next we have here stepper motor cable with female header. Okay, so this one specifically for NEMA stepper motor. Let me have a look. Oh, you cannot have a look at the stepper motor. Okay. Let me share my tab. Okay, so specifically for this stepper motor, okay, so this one on one end can connect to the NEMA stepper motor, and then on one end to the female header. So this one can be used on Arduino or any controller that you want to control the NEMA motor. So this one I think doesn't mention how long, but I think it's quite long, around 50 or 60 centimeter something.
I think this one 30 cm.
30 cm.
There's no description in spec.
No.
So we need to put the wire line lah.
Yeah, then we update the wire line. Okay. Right. So next, let's see. What else do we have yang kita tak payah tunjuk lagi? Alright. So this one. Okay. Also related to 3D printer. Okay. So we have a nozzle for creative entry V3. So this one 0.4 millimeter. Okay, 0.4 millimeter nozzle. Okay, so this one for Ender 3 V3 yang baru punya SE or KE high speed. So both model can use this nozzle. Right. Okay, I think nothing special about this one. Also 450 Celsius, so quite high. If you need to print something on that high temperature, so it's suitable. So let me see if we have any question. Oh, so many people today because got Chris hi.
Yeah, hi.
Chipeng.
Hi. Leonard Kochai, hi. Morning. Kita ada Belalan, kita ada Jackie Chai, kita ada Carlos Asumo. Okay, so yang others yang baru nak join, this is our fourth product kan?
1, 2, 3,
Third product, yes.
Okay, so we're going to move to our fourth product. Let's see, we have Raspberry Pi product. Alright.
Another PCIe hat.
So we have the product here.
Tunjuk sikit.
Raspberry Pi hat. So Raspberry Pi 5 pun kita ada. Okay, so kita boleh tunjuk kita pasang kan.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the hat M.2 key hat for Raspberry Pi 5. So let's see. Okay, for this one, I think can boot directly if you have the Raspberry Pi OS. So if you guys use our MakerDisk, reload with Raspberry Pi OS. So when using this hat, you can also boot from SSD instead of SD card. Okay, So I think it's nothing much about this, but it will become interesting for our next product today, with related also with this NVMe PCIe head. Okay, so compatible with 2230 and 2242 SSD. So this one is 2242.
42.
This one
Yes.
2242. So a shorter version of this 2230 also compatible with this.
Yes. Before this, we have three types of PCIe head already. So all the three types is from Gitworm. But this one from other supplier, which is WaveShare. And then actually this one is quite similar to X1000, I think X1000. So it use smaller NVMe, and then it come with a header pin. So this header pin is provided in the packing list lah. This one.
So not solder.
Yeah, no. So you need to plug in the lah. So you can see in the ni installation guide. So you need to put the header. You can also install the active cooler and then install the PCIe head.
Oh, it's not solder. We just put.
Yep.
We just put on top of the pin. Oh,
Yes.
this one is a long pin here. We just put. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. So compatible with Wi-Fi.
And then another difference, if you want to compare this one with Gitworm, this one is head plus. So the Gitworm one is the normal head, no plus.
So I see here that also same with the X1000 series. So this one we can put the active cooler in between. So you see there's a space in between here. So we can put active cooler first, and then we use PCIe head on top of it. So this one is very interesting. So you can still we can use the space in between them, so that it's not become wasted. Right. So I think that's it for our M.2 PCIe head. Okay.
So this tutorial is very useful for beginners. So it show how to install the head, how to setting the Raspberry Pi to recognize the NVMe, how to boot from NVMe. So all the steps is very clear and beginner friendly.
Okay. So let's move to our next product.
Okay, next product. So next product is another Pi 5 accessory, right?
Also from Pi 5. So this one, I think we don't have the case with us right now. Okay. So this is a ABS case with active cooling fan for 0.5. So this is the active cooler. The fan is included in the case. Okay, so we have the case is made of ABS. Alright, so it's not metal, right?
Yes. It's just what we call metallic look. So it's not from aluminium or metal, all that. So it's still plastic, but the I call the paint color lah, silver one too looks metallic.
So you can see on the back also have some kind of mounting, so that you can mount this on your system or any setup that is suitable. So it's quite nice. And then you can see here the fan is pre-assembled.
Yes.
Pre-assembled on the top cover of the case. Right. So there's I think the screw is only for the fan and the Raspberry Pi, I think. But the case itself, the top and the bottom, doesn't have any screw. It's just like a snap.
Yep.
So you just hold,
Snap and fit.
yes, and then you push. You can snap, open or close it. So no need to screw to open or close the casing. Okay. Do you have any question about this? Wow, looks nice. Belangan. Yeah, it looks nice. Although it's not metal, but yeah, it still looks nice. I think one more thing we can highlight about metal or plastic is Wi-Fi connectivity, right?
Yes,
Uh,
that's right. So you will have a better Wi-Fi performance with plastic case lah.
mhm,
So before this, I think we have quite a lot of aluminium case or
mhm,
metal case. So
mhm,
that one memang tak boleh lari. It will affect the Wi-Fi lah.
mhm. Okay, alright. So we don't have any question about this.
So we'll comment.
So good, huh? Looks like
Looks like
metal.
metal, but it's not
It's not
metal.
metal.
Yes.
Looks like metal. Okay. So we have another one. Candy Wong, I'm here, yeah.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
yet, not yet.
Not yet, not
Not yet.
yet.
Okay.
Chill, chill.
Okay. Alright. So we okay. Next product. So yes. Okay. So we go back a little bit to 3D printer. I think we have another
To the
two.
printer.
Yeah. So also nozzle. Okay. So we have nozzle. This one also for Ender 3 V3 SE. So this one brass nozzle. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different size. So 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and 0.8. So you guys can choose which size that you guys want to use suitable to your printing setting lah. So the the lower or what you call the smaller the nozzle size, the more beautiful your
Mhm.
printing layer, but
Yep.
it will print slower.
Yes.
The larger the print size, the nozzle size, will make it a little bit rough, the layer a little bit rough, but it can print a little bit faster than
Faster,
normal.
yes.
So the normal one is 0.4, I think. 0.4 is the standard printing size.
So if we change the nozzle size, we need to play around with the printing speed lah.
Yes, right.
Uh,
So it's like if you use standard 0.4 and then you try setting, you want to make it, you want to print it faster, but you try all the setting, it doesn't improve much. So the next thing you can do is buy a different nozzle that is a little bit larger in size, so it can print faster. Because larger the size, you can print faster. Okay. So I think nothing much also around here.
so this is for KE
KE
and
and
the
SE.
KE and
KE and
SE,
SE.
yes.
Okay. So both
So
can.
both printer we have in Cytron, right?
Yes, right. Alright. So next we have question. Can use for BQ. I think cannot, right? Cannot. Hmm. We haven't tried it, but
Yes.
supposedly it cannot fit because it's specifically for Ender 3 V3 SEKE heat block, right? So, but if you want to try, maybe can you can let us know.
Yeah.
Uh,
And maybe we can test first and then we
mm,
update the product page lah.
mm,
For BQ, I also have one BQ at my home, but
mm.
I'm not sure this nozzle can fit on BQ Beyond.
Does the nozzle looks same like this? Or does
Yeah, it looks similar, but I'm not
uh,
sure about
the size?
the size. Yeah.
Okay. Understood. Alright. Alright. Next. Um, right. Also nozzle. This one is for K1 Max. For clarity high speed. K1 Max. This one made of metal. So comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 size 0.2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. I think the steel one can maintain high temperature. Yeah, high temperature around 500 Celsius. Okay, so no, copper alloy is 500, highest steel is 450 Celsius. So this is suitable if you guys want to use to print on higher temperature materials. So compatible filament, Tele, ABS, PETG, TPE, TPU, and also some more. right? Okay. Okay, I think that's it for the nozzle. I think we already reached six. Right?
Six
That's it.
product.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh,
Oh, 7. So already halfway lah.
okay. So we can proceed with our giveaway right now.
Can we go with one spin first? Wait, let me. I'm searching for the timer. Wait. Timer.
We have Cytron. Hi, good morning. Yes, it's over. I like to try it on KE. Which one? This one or previous one? I think previous one can, but this one is not fit. This one's not for KE, right? Because it's long. The the nozzle looks
No.
different.
This one is for K1.
K1 only.
Yep.
This one for KE can. The previous one, 15 for one. Yes, 15 ringgit for one nozzle. Yeah, one nozzle, 15 ringgit. But this is on discount lah. 15 ringgit 80 cents. Normal price 19 ringgit. So you guys can grab it while it's on 15. Okay, for another 13 days. Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay, can you see my screen?
Alright. Can.
Okay.
How many player do we have today?
So quite a lot. Today we have, I think, around 30 plus that answer the giveaway. So maybe our quiz is too easy. So quite a lot enjoying. So for the prize, kita tunjuk sikit prize dulu. Okay. Okay. This one. So yeah, giving this, trust me, I'm a maker cap. So we'll choose 3 winner for today. Okay, 3 winner. So we choose one first, and then the other 2 we choose at the end of the MPI live session. Okay. So for the first, let's go for the first winner.
First winner.
Huahui.
Huahui. Familiar name.
Yes, familiar name.
Yeah.
So Huahui, if you are here, please respond by 20 seconds starting from now.
Huahui, do we have Huahui here?
We have Huahui.
We have Huahui today.
Maybe not so many people join lah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
So we have the first winner for today. So congrats, Huahui.
Okay. The question, what's the price today? Is it a hat? Yes.
Cap lah, cap. We call it cap lah. Baseball cap. Yes.
Baseball cap. But also can wear if you're not playing baseball lah.
So trust me, I'm a maker. Okay. So Huawei, please send your details to our support team lah.
Okay.
Another 2 winner we choose at the end of this live session.
Okay. So if you guys want to have a chance to have the cap, so stay tuned until the end of our live session.
Yes.
Right. So we go with this one first. Okay. So this is another case for Pi 5. Something interesting about this case. Okay. So we have the case here. So this is a metal case, right? So you can use normal as Pi 5. You can put Pi 5 here.
Yeah.
Right? But then you can use it with a hat like this PCIe hat.
Yes.
Okay. And you can see here, the pin length doesn't exceed the case length. So that means you can use it and you can close it. You can close the case while having the PCIe hat inside on the Raspberry Pi. So not limited to NVMe hat. So any hat that have a similar height like this, can also fit in the case.
Yes.
So you can use, like let's say, this one you can use active cooler inside, right? So you guys can use active cooler, use a head, and then put inside this case also.
Yes.
So it can fit perfectly. Yeah. So
Yes.
this is a new metal case for 3x5.
So usually, if we are using the PCIe head that come with the long header like this, we have a problem to use it with official case because we cannot use the fan and then we cannot close the top cover. But with this case, so we overcome the problem lah. So this one also from Gitworm. Actually, it's designed for X1000, X1001, and X1003. But it also can use with other PCIe head like this one. We are using with WaveShare PCIe head.
Okay. Right. So this is an interesting case.
So all the port is available, right?
Yes. We have again. So all the USB and the Ethernet port is available, and then also GPIO. If you guys want to use it, you need to open up and then connect the GPIO. And then the SD card on behind also we have room for the push for the on off button for the 3x5. I think it's included the button, so
It
it
should
press
be included. Yeah.
we have button. Alright. So we have also a button lah. You can just set up here and then press, and also all the HDMI and power Type C here also available. Alright.
Yeah, for me, this case also have a good ventilation because you can see a lot of holes dekat tepi, belakang, bawah. At the top pun ada holes. So don't worry about the ventilation. So if you use with FC cooler, should be no problem.
Also at the back have a mounting hole, so you guys can mount anywhere that's suitable with your application.
Okay.
Okay, so next I think we're going to move to industrial product.
Industrial product. Okay, let's go. Okay, a lot already joined.
Alright. Okay, so this one we have analog input extender module. Okay, so let's say you have for example our industrial controller iRif by control. We only have 4 analog input port. So if you want to extend more, you can use this to extend another 8 additional analog input port using RS485 connection. Okay, so I think this one looks familiar because we have previous two product, or I think previous one. So also the same design. So that one is digital input and digital output, and this one is analog input. So both same design but different use. So we have the input output channel, and then also the RS45 pin to connect to your controller, and then also on the back we have a DIN rail mount, so you can mount to DIN rail. And then interesting part is like the both screw here. So let's say you have multiple of these, so you can just stack another one and then just screw together, and then stack another one and then screw together. So the screw design is very interesting, and you just can stack it. Okay.
So that one, if you need more than 8 analog input, right?
Yes, one more than 8, can use 16, can use 24, and then 32.
If not, then you just use one. No point using more than one.
Maximum device for bus RTU for RS 485 is 32 device. So you have one controller. Let's say I reef by control. You can use up to 32 different RS45 device for your systems. Okay. If anything want to highlight here. Right. So all the connection, the power and the connection for each analog input is isolated, so it's easy. Okay, something. Alright. Okay. I want to highlight on the inside here. Right. So on the inside here, there's some pin and header also included when you buy it. We have what we call this header connector.
Yes.
Yeah, the connector. Right. So the analog reading, you guys can use either voltage or current. Here you guys can detect on voltage or current. By default, it's on voltage, so it detect voltage analog value using voltage. But if we put the connector, so we put the connector on the pin, it will change to current reading. So it reading the analog value through current value lah. So you need to, if you want to change the setting, you need to open and then put the connector for which channel you want to check the current instead of voltage. So this is one
So
thing.
one connector is for one pin, right?
Yeah, for one pin.
Yes.
So we have eight connector here. So it's one for all the 8 channel lah. Okay. So the maximum is 10 volt. Okay, 10 volt. Alright. So dimmer compatible stack. Okay, I think that's it. Right, that's it for this one. Okay. Do you have any question?
Got comment from Sober. Modbus RTU.
Modbus RTU, yes. Modbus RTU protocol is RS45. Okay.
Then Roy Chipeng, why today no list the product link already? Yeah, we forgot to put the product link. Later we update the description. So sorry for that. Thank you, Roy Chipeng, for reminding us.
Okay.
Okay, so
Right.
next product, another industrial product.
Yes, another industrial product. So we have right here. This is RJ45 Ethernet to 4 RS45 serial. So okay, let's see this one. Okay, let's say you have one on your controller. Let's say Arif by control. We have only one RS45 port. So although you can put multiple device on the one RS45 port, so you can use daisy chain connection or just put all in one connection. But then if your situation or system need to have multiple RS45 channel or device ID. So for example, you have multiple groups of sensor for certain place. And we have one big place, then we have some small group of sensor here, small group sensor there and there and there. So you want to separate the group. So but you want to use a same device ID. So you guys can use this to split the RS45 channel for one subgroup, something like that. So you can put one RS45 channel here and then one here, both using the same IDs like 1, 2, 3, and then another one 1, 2, 3, but because it's on different RS45 channel, so the controller can detect all the readings properly with no problem. So this one have an additional 4 RS45 channel. So connected through the LAN Ethernet RJ45 Ethernet cable. So just you can connect this to your controller, the Ethernet to your controller, and then you can extend the RS45 channel. So you have 4 more additional RS45 channel. For iReef, we have one RS45 channel. So if you use this, so you have an additional of 4, in total of 5 RS45 channel. Okay. Do you have anything to highlight here? It's not highlighted yet. Okay. I think that's it, right? And another one is on the back. This one you can put a mounting here, and also included with this is a bracket like this. So you can mount it on the DIN rail, industrial DIN rail. Okay.
So this one is metal. So
metal.
the product before this is also metal.
This one plastic.
So what's the reason behind why they do this metal and why they do this plastic?
I think because for this, okay, for this is just the connection of what we call signal or reading signal.
Mm-hmm.
But then this one using like RS-45 and Ethernet, and maybe because of heat problem lah.
Yes.
So we want to dissipate heat better on this one. So we put it as a metal case lah instead of plastic. So you have a better heat dissipation.
Dissipation, yeah.
Okay.
So when you design a product, you need to consider all the factors, right?
Yes.
So you cannot simply use plastic. You cannot simply use metal.
Mm-hmm. Alright. So we have question. This year no Sampuraya is purchased. No Sampuraya.
For now, we don't have any news on that. And then, yeah, we are delayed. If you want to do that, I think dah terlambat dah. Tomorrow is last day, so memang tak sempat.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think for this year we don't have that type of promotion lah.
Okay. So, one, two, three. Next product. Alright. So this product we also have it here. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this is case for Raspberry Pi 5. Okay, ABS. So this is also plastic ABS case. And you open this. Okay. Right. This one ABS case. I think the fan included. It's okay, also included. Alright. So this one ABS case with active cooler.
Mm-hmm.
So the active cooler is included. Alright.
Okay.
So the fan you screw on top and then just snap it together. Also no screw. So you just snap it together.
No, the fan you cannot screw on the top because this one we are using active cooler.
Oh.
So it's different with the case before this yang metallic one tu. That one we need to install the fan at the top. This one we are using active cooler, so you install the active cooler on top of Raspberry Pi, and then you just close the top cover.
I thought the hole, you got 4 hole here. I thought it's for
Yeah,
the fan.
maybe you need to find
Smaller one.
spread the fan separately.
Okay. So on the back also have mounting, so mounting hole on the back. So it's also suitable if you guys want to mount it anywhere. Okay. And then screw. I think that's it for the ABS case.
Yes.
I think it's almost the same, although it's a different design from the previous ABS case. But it's different color. This one black color. The previous one is metallic color. So interesting.
This one, to be frank, we are not really recommend for cooling lah. Actually, it's more to protection lah, because this one the ventilation is not really good if we compare to the previous one.
Oh, okay.
But still, if you use with active cooler and then you open top cover, should be no problem lah.
There's no small hole on the side.
Yes.
Here.
So I think lah, for me lah, my suggestion, we need to put another fan at the top. You need to screw another fan at the top to help dissipate the heat.
Okay.
Because the trap is the heat is trapped inside the case.
Okay. Alright. So we only have 2 more products.
2 more products, yes.
Right. So we have question. So is this coming in stock for Raspberry Pi UPS?
Raspberry Pi UPS. Which one lah? Cuba dah tanya. Which one? How about the one that you test before, the UPS set with cooling ice cooling fan?
I I think, okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
So Temo is asking for Raspberry Pi 4B. I think that one.
That one, that one.
So maybe Koyum can share the product page.
Okay, so
Can search for
UPS.
UPS.
I think it's not UPS. I think it's Ice Tower. Okay, this one. So I think we don't have UPS have. We have like individual UPS. No, right? Like this one for this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have the UPS here. So currently have eight stock. But this one with all the cooling, all the casing. But do we have only UPS? Only the UPS here.
We should have UPS.
Mhm. This one, only the bottom part.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see.
Actually, we have one.
Mhm. This one is for hair, this one for the nano.
This one not UPS.
Yeah, I think this one also can use, but need to put external batteries
Ah.
So batteries is not included here. This one also can be used. Okay. Looking for startup which can be integrated for robot.
Okay.
UPSR. Interesting.
PSR is a different thing.
It's different.
Okay, continue with another two products.
Yes. Alright.
Ramai yang dah join hujung-hujung.
Jom lah, ramai. So another favorite brand, Argon.
Yes.
Right, so we have Argon case. This one only for case.
So this one we already launched the Argon Neo 5 case for Raspberry Pi 5, but the NVMe base. So the NVMe base come a bit late. So you can see yes. So this is the NVMe base. So we already installed with the Argon Neo 5 case. So you can use the SSD, same like the Argon one. So before this, I think we don't have Argon Neo before this for Pi 4. We don't have with the PCIe NVMe. So for Argon Neo 5, it come with NVMe base. So special if you already have the Argon Neo 5, just need to buy the NVMe base lah.
So have only base option.
Yes.
Base only, case only. This one can cabut? Cannot.
I think need to screw unscrew.
Oh, this one screw.
So for the size of the NVMe is 2280. So you can use different size lah, but you need extra work to move the nuts to other port. So we recommend to use with 2280 size.
Okay. You have question on this?
No question for now.
So the last one.
Okay, last product.
Last product is related. I think this one by 4. Okay, this one is by 4. So this is a USB 3.0 to SSD expansion. So this one SSD expansion is for SATA. Okay. So previously we only have the base only, and now we are bundling with 120 gig SSD. So just want to highlight that now you can get it in bundle with SSD. So it's quite useful if you guys want to make local server or like cloud storage something. So you guys can just buy the bundle and then you can easily set up your cloud storage or server. Can be used for mini project or IoT project, database project. So it's easy to set up and easy to use.
So this one is SATA.
So I think that's it for this one, and this is the last product for today.
Okay. So this is the moment that everyone is waiting for. The MPI giveaway. Let me share my screen. So Koyo, please set to go through the comment.
Okay.
Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, can.
So we'll choose another two winners. So we still have a lot of participants here. So around 30. So let's go for the second spin or second winner. Ah,
Hey,
who is this? Rachi Bang. Rachi
Very
Bang tak ada kan?
Tak ada
Rachi
kan?
Bang skip.
Jangan tak ada, kita skip ya. Macam tak ada aja. Okay, we have the chicken here.
Already comment.
Comment. Already comment. Yeah, I'm here.
I'm here. Okay. So Rachi Bang, congrats. You will get this cap. So please wear everywhere you go.
Yes, please wear. Cytron give you.
Okay. Let's go for the last winner. So for today, memang siapa yang dapat terus jawab. Okay. The last winner. Candy Wong. Candy Wong, please respond.
I saw her name.
By 20 seconds.
So I need to respond. Candy Wong. Do you have Candy Wong?
So the timer already start 15 seconds. Candy Wong.
Gone already.
If not, we choose another winner.
Candy Wong just now.
3 seconds left.
3 seconds.
Okay, finish. So we are not going back.
Okay.
We are not going back.
I think he left early.
Yes.
She left early.
So no luck for her. Okay.
Hey, buat hi. Baru masuk. Tak lepas. Okay. So just little bit late.
Yes.
Just little bit late.
Yes. So we need to choose another winner. So now we have the last winner, another winner, Jenny. Yes.
Jenny. Okay.
So Jenny, please respond by 20 seconds.
20 seconds only, okay? Only within this 20 seconds.
Yes. Jenny, are you here? This is her name, Jenny.
So 10 seconds. Okay.
Jenny, do you have Jenny?
I think we don't have Jenny.
Okay. Nampaknya we need to find another winner. Okay. Another spin. High Techs. Ini pun Cytron zombie ni. High Techs ni. So High Techs, please comment by 20 seconds. So I will start the countdown now. Okay.
High Tech.
Do we have High Techs here? 10 seconds left.
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. No comment also.
No comments.
Okay.
Next, this quiz excited ni.
Not here. Okay. So we choose another winner.
Okay.
Ananda Farhan.
Ananda Farhan.
Sedap nama. Ananda Farhan. So I think this is a new participant. So if you are here, please comment in the comment section. Say anything that you want. Hi ke, me ke. So give you 20 seconds to respond. Ananda Farhan. Are you here?
10 seconds. 5 seconds left.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, we also don't have Ananda Farhan. Okay, wis ramai yang tak ada So we still have
A lot of
think
them.
20 plus. So just proceed for the last winner for today. Ni Cik Farid. Cik Farid tadi ada.
Do we have
Cik Muhammad Farid ada tak?
Farid? Do we have Cik Muhammad Farid here?
Cik Muhammad Farid, please respond by 20 seconds. Okay, where is Cik Farid?
Ada Muhammad Farid.
Oh, ada.
Nice
Okay,
one.
congrats Cik Farid. Tak silap saya sebelum ni Cik Farid menang baju Raspberry Pi. Ni dapat topi pula. So boleh combo lah, pakai sekali. So all the winner will get this. Trust me, I'm a maker cap. So this is Cytron, consider Cytron brand lah. So all the winners, please send your details to our support team and congrats. For others, don't be sad. Please try again. Try again next next live session. So for next live session will be another 3 weeks after Raya. So Raya, and then another week, and then next week lepas Raya tu. So kita postpone seminggu lah, extra 1 week to prepare all the products. Okay, so that's all from us. And do you have anything else for you?
I think no. Thank you everyone who is joining us since the beginning.
Yes.
So hope you guys have a nice day today.
Yep.
Okay, signing off from me.
Selamat Hari Raya, selamat berpuasa. Signing off from me, Hairil.
And me, Qayyum.
Okay, bye-bye. Tutup.